The renewed gaming relics, gamers antiquity. Okay. See, gaming consoles, mods, and services. Gamers Antiquity Modern Repair Services. It's that covers your retro console repair modding needs. Ah! Your Super Nintendo broken? Your GameCube not reading discs. What? Maybe you want to refurbish your Sega Genesis or need a hand in installing that HDMI mod for your Dreamcast. Well, I do, but... Then check out Gamers Antiquity Services by Renewed Gaming Relics at renewedgamingrelics.com today, right now, to get yourself a custom quote using our simple a la carte menu. Just fill out the form, slap that submit button, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Now, we also have custom USB-C mods for your consoles. Isn't that pretty? So don't forget to check out more stuff here on YouTube, Blue Sky, and Discord. Why? Because you, yes, you, can place in your vote to see what stuff we do next. Did you remember to comment, like, and subscribe? I'm not behind you.